Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable feed videos remix on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Any publicly accessible videos on Instagram is open to remixing. However, this only applies to videos that have just been made publicly available. Older content won't support the feature. This expansion of remixing made sense. As Remix has been accepted by real users, it aimed to provide additional opportunities for creators to create their content and work together. To know how to enable it, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap on Privacy. Tap on Reels and Remix. Move slide bar of Allow for feed videos to right. So, this is how you can enable feed videos remix on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.